Delaware has long been a popular state for incorporating businesses, including nonprofits. Its business-friendly laws, experienced corporate courts, and privacy benefits make it an attractive option for many organizations. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of registering your nonprofit organization in the state of Delaware. We'll cover the essential requirements, including choosing a structure, selecting a name, preparing articles of incorporation, and filing the necessary documents. The first step in registering your nonprofit is to decide on its structure. There are three main options: corporations, limited liability companies, LLCs, and trusts. Corporations are the most common choice, offering limited liability and perpetual existence. This means that your personal assets are protected from your nonprofit's debts and liabilities, and your organization can continue to operate indefinitely. LLCs are more flexible than corporations but may not qualify for certain tax benefits. Trusts provide more control over assets but can be complex to manage. After choosing a structure, you'll need to select a unique name for your nonprofit. Conduct a thorough search to ensure that the name is not already in use. Consider adding words like foundation, institute, or association to indicate your nonprofit status. The next step is to prepare your articles of incorporation. This document outlines your nonprofit's purpose, structure, and governance. It's essentially a blueprint for your organization. Be sure to include information about your directors, officers, and initial registered agent. The directors are responsible for overseeing the nonprofit's activities, while the officers manage its day-to-day operations. The registered agent is a designated individual or entity that receives official documents on behalf of your nonprofit. Upon completing your articles of incorporation, you'll need to file them with the Delaware Secretary of State. This is the official state agency responsible for registering businesses and organizations. There may be filing fees associated with this process. After the Secretary of State approves your articles of incorporation, you'll receive a certificate of formation. This document officially establishes your nonprofit corporation in Delaware. In addition to the steps outlined above, you may need to complete other registrations and requirements. These can include federal tax exemption. To qualify for tax-exempt status, you'll need to file IRS Form 1023 or 1023 Easy. This allows your nonprofit to receive tax benefits and accept donations tax-free. State tax exemption. Many states require nonprofits to register for state tax exemption. Check Delaware's specific requirements to determine if your organization needs to file for this exemption. Registered agent. A Delaware registered agent must be appointed to receive official documents on behalf of your nonprofit. This ensures that important notices and communications are delivered to a designated individual or entity within the state. Bylaws. Develop bylaws that outline your nonprofit's internal operations, governance, and policies. Bylaws provide a framework for your organization's structure and decision-making processes. Annual reports. File annual reports with the Delaware Secretary of State and any applicable state or federal agencies. These reports provide updates on your nonprofit's activities, financial information, and governance. By following these steps and meeting the necessary requirements, you can successfully register your nonprofit organization in Delaware and lay the foundation for its future growth and success.